So in this first video we will do some basic scene setup to start our game, and what I have here is a new Unity project, and what I did was import and set up the Anything World package from the asset store, which you can see it's already set up and ready to use. I can access my Anything browser. I'm going to log into my account. And I'm going to dock it in my Spectre. I can close the second one. Okay. And I've also downloaded from the Anything World website the example scenes that are available. And I am going to use the city scene that is under Anything World examples, city day. And this is the scene we'll be using to create our adventure game scene. I will start by, first of all, changing this camera rig here. We're not going to use that. I'm just going to remove the main camera from it. And actually, let's make it easier. Let's just delete this camera rig. And I'm going to create a camera, call it main camera. Great. And now I'm going to position it in the world. So for this, I'm going to use this gas station as our scene. And then I'm going to game object align with view, so our game camera is now properly aligned with the gas station view that we have right now. Next, I'm going to create a navigation mesh that I'm going to use so my character can walk around the city. And for that, I'm going to go under City Group, City. And I'm going to select City Elements and Ground, go to the inspector, and mark them as Navigation Static. SJ Children. So everybody's marked as Navigation Static. I'm going to go to my navigation window and click Bake. So now my character can walk throughout the whole of the gas station, as you can see here with the bluish tint. And that's it for scene setup. So we can get started creating our game.